Hello and what is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Financial Coach Jess and I talk all about things money, coaching, and entrepreneurship. And I am so incredibly excited to finally be able to share with you guys today the brand new Bloom Daily Budget Planner. Returning subscribers already know this, but if you're new here, I am extremely picky about the products and companies that I work with and partner with. I turn down affiliate partnerships and brand deals pretty regularly. Being able to partner with Bloom Daily Planners to promote their new budget planner is especially exciting to me because I also helped create it. Let's dive into the planner itself here in the first part of the video, and then after that, I'll dive into Bloom Daily as a company, their community that they've created, and also the resources that they have available. I first want to point out that this planner is a quality product for a very competitive price. When you use my link in the description bar below, you'll get 10% off, which makes the planner less than $20, and it lasts the entire year no matter when you buy it. You don't have to buy it in January. A couple of surprises that are included when you buy this budget planner. There's this pink bookmark as well as 2 sticker sheets. I'll show you inside where you can use these, and you can see they've got specific stickers for payday, bills due, auto pay, but also just fun stickers that you can use on your calendar and when you are taking notes. Inside, on the very first page, they have you very intentionally write out your why. I love this. The designer that I worked with to create my own money charts is actually a designer for Bloom Planners, and she's the one that invited me to get involved with the creation of this budget planner. During the focus group, a big theme that we kept coming back to over and over again was that we didn't want this planner to be a guilt trip. We didn't want any shame to come from the budget planner and have the focus be on, well, I can't do this and I can't spend money on that. We really wanted the focus to be on empowerment, education, and inspiration. And I think that as we go through this budget planner, you'll see how they encompass those 3 things really well. So starting off on the right foot here, what is your why, and having that be the anchor for the entire year. On the next page, there's a few instructions on how to use the different sections of the planner. It's not just a calendar, and it's not just a monthly budget, which can be kind of boring. Then we have financial definitions, as well as a list of resources to empower and educate women. The next page is a great place to draw, sketch, and use some of those fun stickers that I showed you earlier. It's also a place to start setting some goals. Again, this planner isn't just a long list of don't spend money. Instead, it asks, what do you want more of in your life? What do you want less of? Might not even be totally money related, but money does seep into so many areas of our life. And then breaking down goals in terms of your income, your mindset toward money, your investments and expenses. You don't see a lot of budget planners hitting on this mindset piece and helping you set goals in this area. This is why this budget planner is better than anything else out there, because they're helping you get to the root of the issue. Next, you dive into your top financial goals as well as creating a bucket list. Then the planner walks you through your emergency fund as well as a savings tracker. By the way, I absolutely love these charts. That's why I give mine out for free every single day as well. These debt trackers are so unique. Totally sets this planner apart. It's beautiful, it's motivating. You're just not going to find this in another planner. I absolutely love it. Last individual section is the yearly overview, and these match the exact categories you will be tracking monthly for the most part. So the idea is you can track the totals here each month and be able to compare month to month very easily. Then the bulk of the planner, of course, is the actual budgeting. And take a look at these prompts. You'll notice the emphasis on mindset once again, with the focus on being proactive with your goals, extra income, and spending. They give you a calendar, and then they also give you the monthly budget with plenty of extra space. The monthly expense tracker is really more of a transaction line item list. This might be a little overwhelming for you at first. If that's you, maybe just start by sticking with the monthly budget section and pay special attention to your fixed expenses like rent, your phone, internet, versus your variable expenses. So this would be groceries, gas, or fun money. Only certain type A individuals are going to want to write down every single transaction that goes through their bank account. If you have multiple bank accounts or multiple credit cards, it's going to be even more involved. So don't overcomplicate it. Don't feel like you have to use every single feature of the budget planner. Just use what works for you. Then they've got the monthly review where the focus is what were your biggest wins? Where did you fall short? What did you learn? And how can we build on that for the next month? Very well thought out prompts to recap the month. There are 12 of those for the whole year, and then at the back of the planner we have a donation planner, a tax info list, super useful, and a yearly expense tracker. You could definitely use this for Christmas and birthdays. Last page, and this is probably my biggest disappointment with the planner, I would not recommend writing down login information anywhere in this planner. Don't write down your credit card numbers or passwords. If you need a secure place to keep things like your passwords and login information, use an encrypted software like LastPass. Trust me, LastPass is going to be infinitely more secure than writing down your passwords in the back of a planner. To wrap up the planner, we have the yearly reflection, revisiting the individual's mindset and highlighting some of the biggest wins throughout the year. There's also a pocket in the back to store notes and the stickers. Overall, I love this planner because of their emphasis on mindset and celebrating small wins along the journey, which I am all about in my coaching as well. If you use the link down below to get 10% off your budget planner, you absolutely must join the Bloom Planner Facebook group as well. There's over 2,000 members as of right now, and they host live calls there on an array of topics like being busy versus productive, introverts and extroverts, better understanding the people around you, and they also had a call on connecting through anxiety. They really strive to foster community in this group and be more than just a planner company. If you go to their website, you can also download free printables like daily gratitude, recipes, daily affirmations, etc. And these are quality. I've never seen this company sacrifice quality with their products, even their free products, which just blows me away. I could go on and on about this company and the work that they do and the way that they give back, but I think you can see now why I was so excited to promote this new product and really the company itself. When they first approached me in summer of 2020 about creating a budget planner, I was so excited because I knew they were going to do it the right way. This planner is going to help so many women change the trajectory of their finances and ultimately help them change their life. One more time, don't forget to use my link below to save 10% off the Bloom Daily Budget Planner. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if it was a helpful review, and I'll see you guys in the next one.